I've been in online marketing for years before I was able to lift my own thing successfully. So I had some background in it, and that's what helped me succeed.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to achieve your first million? And today we have Victor Vauss with us. He is a digital entrepreneur and author of the Player's Guide to Making Your First 10,000 Online and Feel Like a Player. After growing his online business empire from 300,000 to over 30 million, he now teaches side hustlers and online entrepreneurs the practical non-staff strategies they need to succeed. So, Victor, tell us, what are the 5 steps that you recommend to entrepreneurs in order to make the first million?
Harry, yeah, thanks. So number one, niche down and not up. So you need to identify a specific skill or a specific problem and answer that. Number two, like up on number one, demand test it. So don't just assume it'll work. Don't dump a bunch of money into and think about it. Just get it ready to demand test. So have something out there, checkout card or something, or just track conversions on a CTA button just to see if people are interested. Number three, you need to build a super specific offer. So if you're throwing fitness, don't just say, hey, my guide helps you gain muscle, but niche down. So a product helps skinny hard gainers put 2 inches on their bicep in 6 weeks. Now that's specific. It's a narrow audience, narrow product, specific problem, specific answer. Number four, ready, fire, aim. So don't get fancy. Just focus on your first sale. Overanalyze. Don't try to be a perfectionist. You just need the barest bone system out there. Test. If you get some wins, keep going. And that number five. So stack wins and build systems. Start building out your automation. Analyze. Double down on what's working and just cut out what isn't.
So, very good, Victor. So, when do you decide to become an entrepreneur? Do you have entrepreneurs in your family, or you got inspired for any book, or?
Nope, definitely neither of those. Just born that way. I was like 6 years old trying to do car washes and just all kinds of, and failed for decades.
Welcome to the club. So why online businesses? What are the pros and cons of growing online businesses, and why do you think that is a good vehicle to grow a multi-million dollar business online?
Well, the great thing about online is scalable and low cost to get started. I mean, low initial. I mean, you really can't beat those two combos, and you cannot scale a brick as fast as you can scale something online. It's just not possible. So if you have the money, like I did, that's what I recommend. I mean, if lifting a brick and mortar is obviously incredibly resource intensive, and I had a couple, so there's no way that I was gonna be able to do anything else. I've been in online marketing for years before I was able to lift my own thing successfully. So I had some background in it, and that's what helped me succeed.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.